Today we're going to Taco Bell, grab something to eat for breakfast, and head on back home, so it'll be a very short ride. A very nice day out actually. It is about 10 o'clock. Not too hot over here in California yet. Feels really good. Yeah, so taking my trusty GoTrax here. Very reliable on this stuff instead of a bike. Well, I guess I could have done a bike, got a little workout in, but that's fine. I didn't feel like going on a bike ride today, so today it's a scooter. Oh yeah, I have my gloves on today just because ooh, brakes are a little squeaky today. Alright. These are loud. Oh, they don't really work. Jeez. That's fine. Alright. Yeah, the motor or something doesn't really work. Alright, and we are here. Very nice short mission. Oh, interesting. Dude, it's all squeaky, man. Alright, we got the food, got 2 bacon crunch wraps. For breakfast, I'm thinking brunch right now, I don't know why. But yeah, we got it, so we're good. Yeah, can't wait to eat them. It's gonna be good. I'm starving. That song stuck in my head in that place. I don't want to go a little too fast. My brakes are a little squeaky today, so we're not going to go too fast, I guess. I gotta adjust the brake. Oh, these little rocks. I hate these little rocks. Ugh. They're the worst. Yeah, that's stuck on my head now. Alright, let's see. Oh, they work good now. Okay, we're fine. I hope we're fine. I think we'll be alright. We're almost home. So it's fine. We're good. We're chill.